The sixth one. In these questions, we have to find probability of E given F. A coin is tossed 3 times. That is the experiment. E is the event, head on third toss. F is the event, heads on first 2 tosses. So first we have to write the sample space. Here, coin is tossed 3 times. So write the sample space. S equal to, coin is tossed 3 times. So H So this is a sample space. Now write the event E. What is the event E? E. E is the event, head on the third toss. So write the event E, head on the third toss. So from this is sample space, set of all possible outcomes. From that, we know every event is a subset of sample space. So E is the subset of sample space. So write the event E, that is head on the third toss. Write that event. Head on the third toss. So here, this one, here, and here, here. Head on the third toss, like that. So in these cases, head on the third toss. Head on the third toss. See H, 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 T, H, T, H, H, T, T, H. These cases, head on the third toss. Now what is the event F? Heads on first 2 tosses. First 2 tosses, head. F. So first 2 tosses, head. H, H, H. Then H, H, T. Then only these two, H, 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 T. So here, heads on the first 2 tosses. First 2 tosses, head. Then third can be head or tail. Now, so we wrote, first write the events in as a set. Then it is easy to find. Now we want to find probability of E given F. What is the formula? Probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. So we want to find E intersection F. So E intersection F. Write the common elements of E and F. Here, H, H, H. Write the set of common elements. So only this is common element. Common element. Now find the probability of E intersection F. Probability of E intersection F equal to number of E intersection F divided by number of S, total number of elements in the sample space. Probability of E, so number of E intersection F. See the number of E intersection F, E intersection F, only one element. So 1 divided by total number of elements in the sample space, that is 8. So probability of E intersection F equal to 1 by 8. Now what is we want to find probability of E given F. Now we want to find probability of F. What is probability of F? Number of F divided by number of S. Number of F, number of elements in F, that is 2, divided by number of elements in the sample space, 8. So now we can find the probability of E given F. Therefore probability of E given F equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F, that is equal to E intersection F 1 by 8. 1 by 8 by 2 by 8, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 8 divided by 2 by 8, cancelling 8, we get 1 by 2. So that is the answer. So first probability of E given F, in the first question here, probability of E given F equal to 1 by 2. That is a method. So first write the events as a set. Then find E intersection F. Then find the probability of each event. Number of E by, that is a formula, probability of E equal to number of E by number of S. Find that. So that is the first one. Now see the second question. See second question. E, at least 2 heads. At least two heads means what? At least two head means minimum two head. At least means minimum. Minimum two head means two head or three heads. Minimum two head, more than that is possible. So two heads and three heads we have to write. So write two heads and three heads. So here three head, now two heads we can write. So HTH, THH, then HHT, HHT, HTH, THH, HHT. So two heads and three heads we can write. Minimum, at least two head. So minimum two head, that means two head and three head we can write. So two heads here, then three heads. T, 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 T. Okay. Then next F, at most two head. F, at most two heads. At most two heads means maximum two head. So no more than that. Maximum two head. So two heads, one heads, zero heads we have to write. At most. Understand the meaning of at most and at least. So at most two heads means maximum two head. So write two heads, one heads and zero head. So two heads. Two heads. Two heads, then one head. So we wrote two head, here T, here T, here T. Then one head, then zero head, that is T, T, T. So that is E and F. Now we have to write E intersection F. E intersection F. Common elements. So which are the common elements here? Here H, 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 not here. Then H, T, H. Here and here is there. So H, T, H. Then T, H, H. T, H, H is here. T, H, H. Then H, H, T. H, H, T here. H, H, T. So these are the common elements. Now find the probability of E intersection F equal to number of E intersection F. How many elements are there in this number of E intersection F? 1, 2, 3. 3 divided by 8. Total number of elements in the sample space. Then probability of F equal to number of F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 8. Now find the probability of E given F. Probability of E given F equal to probability of E intersection F. 3 by 8 divided by 7 by 8. That is equal to 3 by 7. So that answer is 3 by 7. So probability of E given F equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. That is equal to 3 by 7. Now see the third one. I will explain that. At most two tail. That means what? What is E is the event. At most two tail. Maximum two tail. So we have to write no more than that. So maximum two tails means you have to write the elements in which there the maximum two. So two tails, one tail and zero tail you have to write. Maximum two tails at most. Maximum two tails means write the elements in two tails. That means two tails like this. T, T, H. Like that two tails. Then write one tail, then zero tail. Then at least one tail means minimum one tail. So you can write one tail, two tail, three tails. Like that you write all the elements. Similarly find E intersection F. Then find the probability of E intersection F. Then find the probability of F. Then find the probability of E given F. Now see the question number 7 that you do. Third one. Now see 7th question. Two coins are tossed once. That is the experiment here. First read the experiment carefully. Two coins are tossed once. So what is the sample space? 7. First write the sample space. If there are only finite number of elements. If it is not possible, no need. So here two coins are tossed once. So what is sample space? HH, HT, TH, TT. So that is write the sample space and events as set. So sample space is HH, HT, TH, TT. Now consider the event E. E is the event. Tail appears on one coin. Tail appears. So first one we are doing. Tail appears on one coin. So what is that? E. Tail appears on one coin. That is HT, TH. So in these two, tail appears on one coin. Only one coin shows tail. So HT and TH. Now what is F? One coin shows head. One coin shows head. That is same thing. HT, TH. Now find, so E and F we wrote. E and F. E, tail appears on one coin. F, one coin shows head. So both are same. So we have to find. Then what is E intersection F? E intersection F equal to, here also we have to find probability of E given F. So E intersection F, same thing. HT, TH, same. So what is probability of E intersection F? Equal to number of E intersection F, 2, divided by number of S, 4, that is 1 by 2. Then next we want to find P of F. P of F. What is P of F? Number of F, 2, divided by number of sample space, 4, that is 1 by 2. So what is probability of E given F? So probability of E given F equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Probability of E intersection F, 1 by 2. Probability of F, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. So we got 1. So answer is 1. Now see the next one. E, no tail appears. What is E? No tail appears means what? So E, no tail appears. No tail means HH. No tail. No head appears. F. No head appears. That means only tail. Now what is E intersection F? Equal to null set. There is no common element. So what is probability of E intersection F? Impossible event. What is probability of E intersection F? 0. So what will be probability of E given F? Therefore probability of E given F equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Since probability of E intersection F is 0, 0 by probability of F, 0. So 0. Numerator is 0. Probability of E intersection F 0. So 0 by any number will be 0. Therefore probability of E given F is 0. Okay.